Welcome students. Today I take a 4th standard science subject, lesson 3, work and energy. Now I discuss about work. Students, you have studied about force. What do you mean by force? A force is a push or pull that moves on object. What do you mean by force? A force is a push or pull that moves on object. So a force can cause an object to change its shape, speed or direction. If you see the picture, what do you mean by force? A force is a push or pull that moves on object. There are different kinds of force. What are they? Frictional force, gravitational force, muscular force and magnetic force. What is the unit of force? The standard unit for measurement of force is Newton. The unit of force is Newton. It's a spelling of N-E-W-T-O-N, Newton. It's a symbol of capital N. Next we will move to work. What do you mean by work? Work is done only when a constant force applied on object. So the object to move in the same direction as the force applied. What do you understand from the picture? In this picture, the force is applied to do some work. So work depends on force applied and the distance moved. The formula for work is equal to force into distance. So W is equal to FD. They have two main conditions are needed for work to be done or not. The first one, work done. The first point, a force should act on an object. The second point, object should move from one place to another place. If no work done, first one, no movement. The second point, direction of the force and then direction of movement are different. So work is done whenever a force moves. The unit of work is the joule. The unit of work is the joule. It's a spelling form Joule. It's a symbol of capital J. 1 joule of work is done when a force of 1 Newton moves a distance of 1 meter. There is an equation for calculating work done is equal to force into distance moved. So work is equal to F into D. One examples for measurement of work done can be calculated using this formula. A lady uses a force of 50 Newton to move a trolley over a distance of 2 meters. Calculate the amount of work done. The solution for work done is equal to force into distance. Force is equal to 50 Newton into 4 meter. So total work done is equal to 100 joule. So total work done is equal to 100 joule. In this picture, the example of work is done. Okay children, what do you mean by work? When the force acting on an object makes it move, it is said to be done. That is equal to work. I hope all are understood the topic. Thank you for listening, students.